I would like to share one story on empathy. Empathy is not sympathy. Sympathy meaning is feeling sad for anyone by saying, I'm feeling so bad about it. I'm feeling sad about you. But empathy is different. Empathy meaning is that feeling in the same way as the other person is feeling. That is called empathy. I would like to tell you all a story. There was a pet shop and he used to sell small pups. All the pups were kept in small cages and there was a price tag hanging on them. One boy, maybe 10 years old, he entered the pet shop. He looked at all the pups because he came to buy a pup. Looked at all the pups. Then that boy, he saw that there was one pup not in the cage, enclosure. The pup was outside and there was no price tag. So immediately he went and lifted the pup. They both felt too much of love for each other. The pup was also feeling very happy and he started licking the face of the boy. Now the boy came to the shopkeeper and he told the shopkeeper that there was no price tag on that. What was the cost of the pup? The reply of the shopkeeper was that that particular pup was not on sale because it was a defective piece. What was the defect? It had 3 legs. By birth, 1 leg was missing. The boy heard. He forced him to tell the cost of that pup because he wanted to buy that pup. The shopkeeper was really surprised. Then he told one price. As soon as he told the price, the boy kept the pup. The boy kept the pup on one side of that shopkeeper's table and he told him not to sell the pup. He rushed home. He brought that much of money and when he brought, he gave the money to the shopkeeper and then lifted the pup. Although the shopkeeper was ready to give that pup without taking any money. Now this boy took the pup and they both were very happy. And as he started walking out, the shopkeeper stopped him. He was curious, inquisitive to know that when there were good pieces, why did he pay money for a defective piece and took it? He asked the boy, why did he do like that? The boy smiled and just told him that he wouldn't understand. He lifted his trousers just to show him the boy also didn't have 1 leg. So here comes empathy. The boy could feel the pain of the pup in the same way as he had no legs, 1 leg he didn't have, and the pup also did not have. This is called empathy. Did you all understand it?